How you doing? I'm here with you doing the upgrade filter, the uni filter for the 2013 Honda Crf50. This is the original filter. As you can see, it's wicked dirty, restrictive. So that goes by the wayside. I've watched a couple of videos on how to install this. I did this on my own. So if you start putting this filter on, what will happen is it will slide off, slide off, slide off, slide off. So what I did was I took a little sandpaper around the carburetor, then I used carburetor cleaner to clean it off. And then what I did was I took that same carburetor cleaner and I put it into a paper towel and I cleaned off the grease from the air filter oil on the inside. Now this is nice and snug, won't come off while riding. I saw a couple of videos where they're like, oh, just tighten it just enough. But if you're riding, things gonna fall off. So I removed all the oil from the carburetor, roughed it up a little bit so that it would have some grip. And then there you have it. Then the uni filter is installed on the Crf50. And now I can start putting this back together. The only reason why I took it apart is because I couldn't get it to stick on the carburetor. Kept popping off, kept popping off, kept popping off. And then over here, don't forget about your ground screw, because you have to take this off to get the original one off. So I'll tighten that down. But the original one's only held on by this clamp and that screw, which is up here. So once you undo those two, you're free and clear. I stripped the bike because I couldn't get it on, but figured it out. Now it's on nice and tight. You push, pull, it's not coming off. And that's the Honda Crf50 aftermarket air filter project done. The boys are starting to race it, so you might see a couple other upgrades. And we'll see you soon.